Just start by marching through right, left. Welcome to today's workout. I'm Kim from Keep Fit with Kim with another 15-minute workout. So have a quick look around you, check both sides, check there's nothing you're going to stand on, bump into or trip over. Well done. I always work out in bare feet, but if you're happier in trainers, that's fine too. If you've got diabetes, you need to really make sure you check your feet afterwards, and it's probably safer to wear trainers. Let's march 2 forward, 2 back. Side step. So we're keeping it quite small because we're just warming up and the music's relatively fast. Ready to march 2 forward and back again. 2 forward and back. Well done. Remember to pace yourself during the workout. Really isn't a problem if you make everything smaller to get to the end. If you want to make it harder, you can move the arms a bit more vigorously, make bigger steps. Or you can do the opposite. In a moment we're going to do side steps. We're going to go to the left instead. Are you ready? To the left, stepping together. So step, touch, well done. Ready to march, 2 forward, 2 back. And when the music changes, we're going to take it to a tap out to the side. Are you ready? Tapping out, tap either side. Keeping the shoulders relaxed, just let the arms swing. So you can add a little bit of a bounce if you want to make it harder. So I'm just doing a little knee bend. Or you can just keep it really small. Got to be what's right for you. So I'm taking it to a slight lunge for those who want it a little bit harder. Lifting the elbows up if you want to make it harder and work those back wings. But if it's not, it's fine too. Your body, your workout. Last 4, 3, we're going to go back to 2 forward, 2 back. Ready for side steps to the right. March it forward, 2 and back. Well done. March, side step even, to the left. Side step to the right. And left. Change sides. So just doing a double step in the middle to change. And the arms swing. And march it through. 2 forward, 2 back. Well done. We're starting with a little toe tap in front for this track. Well done. Remember to pace yourself. So if you've got plenty of energy, add a bit of attitude, and a little bit of a bounce. If you're struggling and you're maybe a little bit overweight or recovering from an illness and you want to just do a gentle workout, that's fine too. Kind of take it up a bit, add some energy, but you work at your level. Well done. Okay, we're going to take it across with a kick. So soft knees, try not to snap your knees out. Now again, I'm lifting my foot off the floor, kicking across. If that's too much for you, just try and get a little bit of a across the body, keep the toe on the floor to help you balance. Go with what works for you. We're going to work these muscles in your hips, really helping you balance. If you're standing on one leg, it's going to help it even more, but I don't want you falling over. Well done. Well done. Okay, go back to the toe tap. I can remember back in the 80s, spending hours in the disco just doing this. Nothing else, just tap and toe in front. Last 4, 3, and we're going to go back to that kick across or toe tap across. Keeping the elbows soft if you're throwing your hands away. Don't have to do the arms, it's what's right for you. Let's catch the beat and march, right, left, right, left. We're going to go to a side step. So step and tap. Step and bring the foot together. Now, if you've got plenty of energy, make that nice and big. Add some bicep curls for now. If that's too much, this is fine too. You've got to go with what's right for you. Catch your breath if you need to. Well done. Don't forget to have a glass of water nearby when you're working out. If you feel a bit thirsty, just walk over to your glass, have a sip, come back again. Let's change the arms. So I'm keeping my shoulders quite relaxed, but trying to lift them up about shoulder height. You need a nice clap if you want with your hands. A bit loud on the microphone, so I will keep that down. Bring it forward for 2 and back for 2. If you haven't got room for that, you just have to stay on the spot. Putting the heels up. So a little bit of a jogger's walk. I'm adding a little bit of twist. So watch your ankles here. If it's uncomfortable on your ankles, alter the movement, just lift the knees straight forward. Or if it's uncomfortable on your knees too, of course. Ready for side step. Now, as you're doing your side steps, I want you to shuffle yourself slightly towards your left because we're going to go to doubles. Double. A fairly fast track, so you might need to make the steps a little bit smaller. I'm trying to take the whole width of my mat. I say length of my mat, but I've got quite a big square mat here. You just can't see half of it off the front of the camera. So those that can, we're going to take it to a grapevine. So step, cross behind, step together. If that doesn't work for you, stay with the ordinary double step. I'm going to turn in a moment and show you how that works. You step, cross behind, step, feet together. Step, cross behind, step, feet together. Step. If you'd rather do it half time, that's fine too, or stay with your double side steps. Let's, for those that want it, add some arms and a knee lift on the end. Really is up to you. If that doesn't feel right, just stay with where you were. And keep breathing. Are you ready? Hold it here. Knee lifts. I'm going slightly out to the side. Work slightly different muscles. If that doesn't work for you, you can just keep it a little toe tap, opening out through the hip, turning out. Find this one quite intense. You want to make it really harder, add arm movements, pulling down. I'm going to leave that out because for me, it's enough to concentrate lifting my leg off the ground. Well done. Let's take it down to the tap. Back to the jogger's walk, lifting the heels, maybe with a little bit of wiggle in the hips, just to give them a bit of a loosening after that intense knee lift work. Double side step. Well done. You're doing great. But don't worry if you're struggling with some of the moves. As long as you don't feel uncomfortable, make up what feels right for you. It's your body, your workout. You've got to do what feels right for you. Make it bigger if you want, smaller if you want. So whatever's right for you is right for you. I'm not going to dictate what level you do it at. I just want you to do the best you can for yourself. Okay, next time we're going to pause at the end, tap out, side, 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 side. So I'm just touching the toe out to the side. Toes on the floor, although I suppose if you wanted to, you could lift it, give yourself a bit more of a challenge. So catch the beat, right, left. We're calling the body down now, so keep the movements a little bit smaller, catch your breath. I'm going to turn so you can see, stay facing me, 2 forward, 2 back, but keep it small now. Let the arms swing heavily, shoulders relaxed. On the spot. Take it wider. Not very wide. 2 in, 2 out. In, wide, wide. In, wide, wide. Well done. Let those shoulders relax even. Hold it here. Circle the shoulders. Just as high as is comfortable for you. March 2 forward, 2 back. Forward, forward, back, back. Well done. Think about your breathing. That nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, or whatever works for you. As always, your body, your workout. Two out, 2 in, keep it fairly small. Do slightly different arms. We're going to march on the spot in a moment. Last, 4, 3, well done, 2, hold it here, march, forward, back, 2, 3, forward, pull. So when you're pulling back, watch you're not sticking your chest out, only coming from the shoulders. So squeeze your shoulder blades together. Singles, so forward and open, forward and open, forward and open. Last 4 counts, 3, 2, well done. 2 forward, 2 back, so 2 forward, 2 back. Stay facing me if you want, or if you want to make it more interesting, you can angle it to the corner. I'll leave that up to you. Well done. I'm moving around the room a little bit. Really leave that up to you. If you want to have a little wander off around your room, pick up a glass of water, have a sip, that's fine too. Come back to facing me when you're ready. We're going to take it 2 out, 2 in. Hold it here. Little bicep curls. Well done. We're going to finish today's workout with a stretch. So taking the feet about hip width apart, I'm going to ask you to take your right foot back. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Watch both feet are pointing forward, knees above the ankles, so we're not shooting it all the way forward. Nice big lunge position. Holding that there, turning the hips to face the front. Have a quick look back at that back heel, watch it hasn't slipped in. You should be feeling it in the calf, holding that there. Hands on the thighs, well done. I'll ask you to lift and lower your heel a couple of times. Just coming up onto the ball of the foot, taking it down, getting that foot back. Just check it's not slipped in again. You're feeling the stretch in the calf muscle. Just the foot until you feel that stretch where it's best for you. Well done. Let's change legs. Bring the legs in, about hip width apart for balance. A bit wider if you struggle with your balance. And again, watch the knee position. Knees are roughly above the ankle. Foot back far enough so your foot's on the floor. So you might be here to get the stretch, or you might have your foot a long way back. But keep that knee so you can see your toe. Check those feet are pointing forward. Hold a chair or wall if you need to. Nice straight line from the top of the head through to the heel. Try and turn those hips to face forward rather than letting that hip drop back. Well done. That's all for today. Bye for now.